Hello everyone. In today's video, I will show you how to use Cash App to verify Apple Pay. If you have a Cash App cash card and want to link it to Apple Pay for easy and secure transactions, I'll guide you through the process step by step. Start by opening the Cash App on your device. Once you're on the home screen, locate the Cash Card section. You can find it by tapping on the card icon at the bottom left of the screen. This section will display an image of your Cash App cash card. Next, look for the option to add your card to Apple Pay. It's usually labeled as Add Card to Apple Pay. Tap on it and you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to add and verify your card. You can select either your iPhone or an Apple Watch depending on your preference. Once you select your device, a screen will appear with your cash card details. Carefully review the information to ensure everything is correct. If the details look good, tap Next to proceed. The app will then start communicating with the card issuer to set up your card for Apple Pay. After a few moments, you'll see the terms and conditions for linking your Cash App cash card to Apple Pay. Take a moment to read through them. If you agree, tap on Agree to continue. The app will then finalize the setup process. Once the setup is complete, you'll receive a confirmation message stating that your Cash App cash card has been added to Apple Pay. At this point, you'll have the option to set it as your default card for Apple Pay. If you don't want to make it the default, simply tap Not Now. You'll then return to the Cash App, where you'll see a confirmation that your card has been successfully added and verified for use with Apple Pay. That's it. That's how you can solve the How to Use Cash App to Verify Apple Pay problem. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.